Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert non-searchable and non-selectable PDF files to a searchable and collectible PDF files. So we can do this? This is a very simple step. We just do this with one single click. So let's go. Now we need to go to the Google. This is my Google. Simply I need to type I love PDF and this is the link we need to follow. Click on this and at the bottom there is a OCR PDF. OCR is easily helps us to searchable and selectable documents. Just click on this and click on the file. This is my file. I need to convert this into OCR. Apply OCR. OCR is simply used to select and detect any text and it helps us to make documents searchable. This is my document. I need to save this here. So here you can see this is the document. Now I can easily search any text. If I wanna select any text, if I wanna do something like this one, search anything like I wanna search this word, like this word, how many times available in this document. Here you can see I can easily search any document, any text, anything in this. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.